I have a 2014 Toyota Highlander. The passenger side brake light is not working. See, when I hit the brake, the light is not on, it's not working. And it needs to be replaced. So how do you do it? So when you open the door and next to the light, there are two screws holding it. And I use a 10 mm socket to take it out. So I turn counterclockwise to loosen the screw. After the screw are removed, I shouldn't have any problem to remove the headlight. However, the headlight is stuck and I tried my best to shake it and pull it and nothing. It won't come off. And I even use a plastic pry tool, try to pry it out. It's still there, it won't come out. So I try to push it out from the other direction and apply a little bit more force, then it still won't come out. So I find a suction cup and apply it on the surface of the light and see if it may help. Then I use a plastic pry tool and push it that direction and still won't come out. And it gets stuck pretty bad. And no matter how much force I use. And I don't want to damage the tail light, so what should I do? Finally, I got some idea. I got some masking tape and grab a big giant piece and tape it on top of the tail light. Then I got a second piece and do the same thing, put it next to each other on the tail light. After that, I grab a duct tape because duct tape can hold pretty good and I can pull it without breaking the tape. And I know just using the masking tape, it won't be strong enough. So I put a piece of duct tape on top of the masking tape. Then I put another piece of duct tape. This time I didn't cut the duct tape. The duct tape still connect to the roll it came with, and which give me the leverage and to pull the roll with the piece of tape that attached to the light. Then I apply some force and with the help of the other hand I pull it, voila, it came off without damage or scratching any part of the light housing. Now the light housing is out and behind you will see two light bulbs. And the one on the right is for blinker, the one on the left is the one for the brake, so that's the one you have to remove. And you remove by turning counterclockwise. But also there's the wire they're holding by two clip and you have to pull it out, otherwise you won't be able to pull that light bulb out. Turn counterclockwise to loosen the light bulb holder. You hear a click sound, it's loosened, and now you can pull it out with the light bulb. Separate the light bulb from the light bulb holder by just pulling it apart. Be careful, don't press on the glass light bulb too much or you may break the glass and cut yourself. Here's the broken one, look at it. New one from Amazon and the number is 7443 and they are brand new light bulb and they are around $8. I don't recommend to buy any generic one because this one will last you for a long time. Use one hand hold the light bulb holder and the other hand hold the light bulb and then you push it in until you hear click. Put the whole set into the housing and turn clockwise until you hear click. Now it's all secure. And don't forget to push the wire back into the wire holder clips, and there are two of them. Here I'm showing you the two part beside the two screw holding the tail light housing, the yellow one and holding to the housing this here, and then another one the back right there, a little hole, and we will attach to a little anchor or part of the housing right there. So they're all plastic, be careful, don't break any of those. To install the tail light housing back, you just put it into place and matches those points I showed you earlier and push it forward until you stop. It also matches the two holes to the two screws there. Put the two screws into the two holes and use a 10 mm housing. Turn clockwise to tighten them. And when you tighten the two bolts with a wrench, do not over tighten it. And you see earlier that inside holding the two bolts are plastic, they are not metal. You don't want to strip it, and now you have a big problem. Alright, finally I can remove those masking tape. Now time to check to see if I fixed that brake light problems by looking at it and hitting the brakes. Let's see. Whoa, it works. The brake light turn on, and then try again. It works. Alright, I got it fixed. Thanks for watching. Please help to hit the like button. See you later.